Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you all my patio. Like today in the evening I will be having some guests over at my house, so I thought of making some arrangements in the patio. I already had some furnitures there, but I thought of taking some of my living room furnitures also outside, because we will be sitting outside only because it will be in the evening. So yeah, I haven't spent on outdoor furnitures yet. I just have some basic table and chairs, that's it. But I haven't got the couches and all. So yeah, I'm just thinking of taking what I have in my living room, the small ones, to take it outside, because we will be there only for a few hours. So yeah, that's what I will be showing you all today, how you can just uh, take things from one part of your house to another and still make that place look cozy and welcoming. So yeah, that's what I will be doing in this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will not be spending too much there. I just got a rug for there and just some lights, that's it. All the other things I will be using whatever I have in my house around. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to be notified every time I upload any video. So with that being said, let's start with the video. So this is how my patio looks like right now. I don't have anything except these 4 chairs and a table, which I got initially. So now I'm thinking of doing something here. Let's see how it turns out to be. And yeah, I got 2 rugs for here. I'm not sure which will be the one which I will be putting here, so I'll put in both and I'll see which one looks the best, and you guys let me know which one of the 2 you like the most. I will be keeping that one. So first thing that I got for my patio is this light. This one's from Walmart and each one is for $10. I hope one will be enough, but just for being on the safer side I got both of them. So if in case I run out of it, I have an extra one for backup. So I have this one, and this is how the light looks at night time. Then I got these 2 rugs. This one is a little bigger, as you can see. This one is a plain one, and I got this one from Costco, and this one was for $17.99, and that one will match over there, so I got that one. That one is from Walmart and I think it was for $38, and that one is 5x7 and this one is 6x9. So yeah, a little bit bigger than this one. So I'll lay down both of those and just set up everything and then see how it looks, and then I will show you guys. This is how this place looks like after I have added just a few more pieces on this side. So I just went with the theme. I am keeping the theme of this place to be white and blue and some other neutrals. So yeah, on this side I tried to incorporate the white and blue with these flowers and pillows. And yeah, now as you can see that this side is looking somewhat different, this side is looking somewhat different. So to tie everything all together, what we are gonna do is we'll lay down a rug in between, and yeah, I'll show you guys after I have laid down the rug. So this is how the first setup looks like. I have laid down the rug. I bought in my coffee table here, and I put in some accent pieces there. I added this little flower here and a piece of greenery on the coffee table. I'll show you guys from near. So this is what I have put in here. I just kept in a tray along with some greenery and candle, and there also I have kept that floral arrangement. And yeah, I think this rug is the perfect size for this area because the other one is a little bit smaller, but still I will lay down that rug too and see how it looks, and after that we will decide which one to go for. So yeah, this is the first look. So this is the second look, and this is the second rug that I was talking about. As I was saying, I think this rug is smaller in size, and yeah, but it goes well with the color scheme that is going on here, and it's very bright and colorful. So I really like this rug, but I don't know which one to keep, which one to return. So you guys just let me know which one I should keep, which of the two rugs shall I keep, because the setting is all perfect. And yeah, I really love this color scheme for the outdoors because it's so bright and sunny out here. Like, the weather is so nice. It rained last night, so it's cooled down a bit, not that much. It's still hot, but yeah, it's not like scorching heat and all those. So it's a perfect day to be outdoors, since we will be having a barbecue party in the evening, so it will not be sunny by then. So let me know in the comment section below which of the two rugs you thought was good, and which one I should keep and which one I should return. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and like to see my backyard patio settings. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.